Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how you can record videos in 24 FPS on your Android phone, and let's get started. So a lot of people might be familiar with the way that it works and that you are supposed to be able to change it in the settings, but how exactly? So at first, let's check out the built-in camera. So let's open it up like this, and we have like the photos section. So let's switch to the video right here. And at the top, we have this like the video size section right there. So I can tap on this and see the resolution at the top and at the frame rate below. Like it just turns off if I don't do anything. So there is that. And I can see 24 FPS is right there, but for the 8K resolution, which is quite a lot, let's be honest, right? So the other options like the Full HD or UHD don't seem to have the 24 FPS. So in this case, what I do is click on More at the bottom and select the Professional video, right? So this is going to give me more options. And in there, I just click on the very same thing at the top and suddenly I have more things to pick from. So I can click on UHD at 24 FPS, which is apparently something which I'm going for. Right, so I can switch in between the lenses and it stays as it was before. I can go to the telephoto, wide or ultra wide, and it just stays like that. Right, so it is a great setting. It is built into my camera app as well, but it's sort of hidden away. So that's why it's important to know where you can find it. But in every case, if you cannot find it, you can still go ahead and install a third-party camera app, which is going to be a bit more professional. So Filmic Pro is a known one, but that one is, kind of a bit more expensive. So you can only get the free version for trying it out. And that one is a bit too professional if you ask me. But there are some different easier cameras like the Open Camera, for example. And using this one, you can go to the settings like that and change the video setting, including the FPS right there. So yeah, it should be somewhere in here most definitely. But yeah, that's how you can set it up. Just go through the video formats and settings right there and you'll be able to do it. So yeah, you can get to a third-party camera as well, but at first check out the built-in one to see if it doesn't have that already available. So thanks a lot for watching. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know below what you think about it, subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next one.